then place look. 12 for player, 4 for banker, X card for player, X card for the banker, and banker wins 9 over 1. Congratulations to all the 150 winners. Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen. 7 for player, 5 for banker, X card for the banker. Now player wins 7 over 5. My compliments to all the winners. 6 for player, bucket for banker, X card for banker. Now player wins 6 over 4. Congratulations to all the 92 winners. Well done. 7 for player, 8 for bank, it's banker, spare, and the banker wins when it draw 8. My compliments to all the 92 winners. Enjoy. Place your new match now, ladies and gentlemen. 2 for player, 9 for banker, and the banker wins when it draw 9. My congratulations. 2 for player, 6 for banker, X card for player. Banker wins 6 over 3. My congratulations. Well done. Betting time is open for you. 8 for player, 4 for banker. Player wins when it draw 8. My congratulations to all the winners. Well done. Bucket for player, 8 for banker. Now banker wins when it draw 8. My compliments to winners. Well done. 12 for player, 7 for banker, X card for player. Tie with 7. My congratulations. Well done. Over. 7 for the player, 12 for banker, X card for banker. Now player wins 7 over 4. Congratulations. Well done. 3 for player, 5 for banker, X card for player. Banker wins 5 over 2. My congratulations to winners. Well done. 9 for player, bucket for banker. Player wins when it's draw 9. My congratulations. Well done. Place your bets. Hello. 7 for player, 6 for bank, it's banker. Spare player wins 7 over 6. My compliments to all the winners. 6 for player, bucket for banker, X card for the banker. And now player wins 6 over 3. Congratulations to all the 925 winners. 9 for player, 7 for banker. Now the player wins when it draw 9. My compliments. Well done. Place your bets here. 9 for player, 4 for banker. Now the player wins when it draw 9. My compliments to winners. Well done. Place your bets for the next game now. 2 for player, bucket for banker, double draw. And the banker wins 3 over 2. Congratulations. Well done. And place your bets now. Last seconds. 8 for player, 6 for banker. Player wins when it's draw 8. Congratulations, well done. Place your last seconds. 3 for player and 4 for banker. X card for player. X card for banker. Now the player wins 8 over Baccarat. My congratulations, well done. 7 for player, 7 for banker. And it's tie with 7. My compliments.
Opens with 6, bunker opens with 8. Bunker wins is a natural over 6. Congratulations. Opens with 4, bunker opens with 5, it's a card for a pair. Bunker wins 5 for 2. Congratulations. Opens with 4, bunker opens with 9. Bunker wins is a natural 9 over 4. Congratulations. Opens with 1, bunker opens with 1, double draw. Tie with 2. Congratulations, so winners of this round. Opens with 6, bunker opens with 6, tie with 6. Congratulations, so winners of this round. Let's go. Opens with 1, bunker opens with 3, extra card for player. Extra card for bunker. Bunker wins, I hold 2. Congratulations, let's open. Opens with 3, bunker opens with Baccarat W. Bunker wins, Baccarat. Congratulations, let's open. Bets are first. Opens with 8, bunker opens with 1. Player wins as a natural 8 over 1. Congratulations, let's open. Opens with 5, bunker opens with 6, is the bottom of player. Bunker wins 6 over 5. Congratulations, bets are open. Opens with 3, bunker opens with 8. Bunker wins is a natural 8 over 3. Congratulations. Opens with Baccarat, bunker opens with 1, double draw. Bunker wins 1 over Baccarat. Congratulations, so winners of this round. Opens with 7, bunker opens with 6, card for bunker. They win 7 over 3. Congratulations, so winners. Let's open as a close. Opens with 4, bunker opens with 4, extra blue pair. We have a 10 with 4. Congratulations to winners and congratulations for the bunker pair. Opens with 8, bunker opens with 9, bunker wins is a natural 9 over 8. Congratulations. Opens with Baccarat, bunker opens with 9, bunker wins is a natural 9 over Baccarat. Congratulations.